What's going on, everyone? I'm Jamal Jones, marketing and automation expert, creator of the Cosmosys AI sequential marketing automated software. And if you're looking at the screen right now, you recognize the screen, then I'm pretty sure you're familiar with skip tracing a list and then having to upload that list 10 times to get all of your phone numbers into the system. So in this video, I'm going to show you why that is 100% a thing of the past with this new system that I've built out. But before I go into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video if it provides you any value, and make sure you share with anyone if you think that it could benefit them. So let's dive into it. In this column right here, you see we've got phone type 1 type status all the way through phone 10, right? So just for the sake of this video, so it's not too long, I'm going to just do 4 phone numbers. Phone 1, phone 2, phone 3, and phone 4 with their respective statuses. Now pay attention to these. It's 5284, 9530, 9593, 6452, and 6958. Now watch this. Remember, 5284 and 9553, both mobile. Now, if you take a look at this, you'll see that the phone number that was in phone 2 is now in phone 1, and the phone number that was in phone 3 is now in phone 2, as well as that phone type. And the phone that was in phone 4 is now in phone 3, as well as that phone type, and phone 4 is now empty. But you might be saying, what happened to that first number, right? You want to keep all of your data, make sure you know what's up. So that's where this comes in. That number was moved down here along with the type of phone that it was. So with that being said, guys, with this new system that I've built out, you no longer ever have to upload a list 10, 20, 15, however many times you've been uploading your list. You don't have to do that anymore. You can just simply mark a number as wrong number, and it will replace that first number with the next number in line, and it will continue to do that until all of your numbers are exhausted. And then as an added bonus for that, if a couple added bonuses, actually, once all of your numbers are exhausted, you'll receive a message letting you know, hey, all of these phone numbers were wrong. You need to skip trace it somewhere else now. And on top of that, another built-in thing, let's say, for example, let's mark this one as wrong and save it again. And now this one's going to move up to 6452 is going to move up, but watch what else happens. So now 6452 moved up, and it's a landline phone number. So watch this. The system has automatically D&D'd that number for text messages. So you'll never, ever send text messages to a landline phone number ever again, which will save you time. It'll save you money. It'll keep your error rate super low, and just a whole host of other things. It'll just make life overall a lot easier. But check this out. We see this next one's mobile, right? You're probably thinking, what if that landline is the wrong number? Then the next one in line is going to be an error, going to be D&D'd as well. And if it's a mobile, then I don't want it to be D&D'd. I already thought about that. So check this out. Boom. Go ahead and refresh. And now, phone status. Phone status has been cleared. Phone type is mobile. And then we're going to scroll down here, and the D&D has been lifted. So, guys, if you want to save a bunch of time, save a bunch of money, if you're paying a VA to upload these lists for you, you can save a lot of money with paying them, because it takes a long time to upload these lists, especially if you doing lists consistently. So if you want to have a system like this or similar to this or whatever, reach out to me. All of my information is in the description. You can check out the Facebook page, REI Success, Cosmosys AI Realm Community, REALM, or REI Automation Hub. You can find me anywhere, Jamal Jones. I'm on Facebook, Cosmosys AI. cosmosys space AI. If you got value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button and share with whoever you think will benefit from it. Like I said before, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I look forward to helping you build out your automations to better your business.